Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can increase the security of our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with the auto blocker. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. Then over here we need to scroll down and go to security and privacy. And then finally over here, if you scroll down, you will find auto blocker. If you go here, then you can enable or disable this feature, which uses the McAfee, if I remember correctly. This is like the antivirus, and it pretty much blocks threats or other suspicious activities. In addition to that, we can also see the information, what it does exactly. And at the bottom we have two options. One is for messaging app protection, which blocks images suspected of containing malware in messaging apps. And we also have block software updates by USB cable, which prevents installation of system software using a USB cable. This can prevent someone with physical access to your phone from installing malicious software without your knowledge. In both cases, you can simply turn them on or off by tapping on these sliders. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.